Hello everyone, my name is Rohit Dhodi. Today the topic of my presentation, circular flow of income. Introduction. The term circular flow of income or circular flow of economic activity refers to a simple economic model which describes the circulation flow of income between producer and consumers. In the circular flow model, producer is referred to as firm and consumers are referred to as household. In the major exchange are represented as flow of money, goods and service, etc. Circular flow of income. The circular flow of income is a way of representing the flow of money between the two main groups in society, firms and households. As we have already seen, a free market economy consists of two components or sector, as they are called. This is are firm and household. People in household work for firm and receive wages in exchange. On the scale of the whole economy is known as national income. The total amount of income earned over a given time period. This money is spent on food, clothing, transport, entertainment, etc. And so it returns to the firm. This is the circular flow. Determinants. Household. It is a person or group of people that share their income, require goods and service to satisfy their personal wants. One all resource, labor, capital and enterprise. The members of household have two functions. First, they supply different factors of production. Second, members of household also work as consumers. Firms, an organization that produce goods and service for sale. Main objective is to maximize profit in the production process. Uses resource provided by household to produce goods and service. Sell those goods and service for income. The two main functions are as follows. Produce goods and service and supply them in the market. Second, firms purchase input or raw materials from household and use them in production process. Government, just like household and firm, the government also earn income and makes expenses. Two major functions are: first, government earn revenue from either tax or non-tax sources, both from household and firms. Second, government provide essential public service such as maintenance of law and order, defense service, judiciary, etc. Financial institution consist of bank and non-bank intermediaries who engage in the borrowing, saving from household and lending of money. The leakage that financial institutions provide in the economy is the option for household to save their money. Foreign sector. It consists two kind of international economic transaction. First, export import of goods and service. Second, inflow and outflow of capital. Factors of production. In economic there are four types of resources known as factors of production. First, labor. These are workers. The factors payment for labor is referred to as wages. Second, land. This included land that is rented as purchased as well as other components like natural resource and raw materials. The factors payment for land is referred to as rent. Third, capital. This is money used to buy the tools that labor implements to convert land, natural resource into goods. The factors payment for capital is called interest. Entrepreneurs. There are people who put the other three resources together. The credit a successful business. The factors payment for entrepreneurs is called profit. Thank you.